It is, yeah. We're gearing up for another baking hot day across much of Utah. Records possible like yesterday. There were 5 of those. In fact, all the way up to 100 in Wellington. BYU set another record at 102. Salt Lake City, we're a little shy of that. We were in the upper 90s. And we had some late day showers, isolated thunderstorms stretching from central into northeast Utah. A few of those lingering, otherwise for the time being, most of those have tapered off. But with a few clouds trapping in some of the heat from yesterday, another warm morning, 77 in Salt Lake. But overall, we've got temperatures ranging from 57 in Logan to the mid 80s in St. George. A warm start to, again, what will be a hot day because of that high pressure still over the Four Corners area. But at the same time, as it stays relatively in place next few days, it's going to be pulling that monsoonal moisture north, which will gradually be increasing, especially by Sunday when we'll get our best chance of more widespread wet weather. Along the way, our temperature in Salt Lake City will climb back into the mid 90s this afternoon, still running several degrees above average for this time of year. A lot of valleys will be hovering very close to where they were yesterday. 87 in Park City, all the way up to 107 in St. George. Dangerously hot, lower Washington County. Keep that in mind. Make sure you're taking those breaks and staying hydrated. Otherwise, monsoonal moisture bringing a chance of mainly isolated showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening, primarily over the mountains, where some of those could bring some heavy rain. But that's a possibility in the south, where flash flood potential is on the rise. It's possible today and tomorrow, and becomes even more of a threat by Sunday when we get that main surge of the monsoonal moisture. That'll bring that widespread precipitation that'll linger into the middle of next week. And along the way, the temperature will drop all the way down into the low 90s in St. George by Wednesday and Thursday. Salt Lake City, it'll be partly cloudy and in the upper 90s tomorrow. Slight chance of thunderstorms. So a relatively quiet start to the weekend, but wet weather a lot more likely on Sunday and through next week, with temperature dropping all the way down into the low 80s by Wednesday and Thursday.